Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make churros con chocolate. First, let's prepare the churro dough. Combine 1 cup of water, 1/4 cup of butter, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt in a saucepan. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil. Then, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour all at once, stirring vigorously until a smooth ball of dough forms. Continue cooking for about 2 minutes to dry out the dough, ensuring a perfect texture. Now let's shape and fry our delicious churros. Once your dough has cooled slightly, beat in 2 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Transfer the dough to a piping bag fitted with a large star-shaped nozzle. Heat about 3 to 4 cups of vegetable oil in a deep pot to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully pipe 4 to 6-inch long churros directly into the hot oil, frying them for 2 to 3 minutes per side, until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy. While your churros are frying, let's prepare the rich chocolate dipping sauce. In a small saucepan, gently heat 1 cup of whole milk or heavy cream until it's warm but not boiling. Remove it from the heat and add 4 ounces of finely chopped good quality dark chocolate. Stir continuously until the chocolate is completely melted and the sauce is smooth and glossy. For an extra touch, you can add 1 tablespoon of sugar or a pinch of cinnamon to enhance the flavor. Finally, it's time to serve and enjoy your homemade churros con chocolate. Once the churros are golden and crispy, remove them from the oil and drain them on paper towels to absorb any excess oil. While still warm, toss them generously in a mixture of granulated sugar and cinnamon for that classic sweet coating. Arrange your freshly made churros on a platter and serve them immediately with the warm, rich chocolate dipping sauce. Enjoy this delightful treat.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.